Paul 60.
Go ahead.
I have a Kia SUV westbound on 112th from Colorado. He's driving in oncoming traffic.
Copy, break 311.
And it looks like he's bailing on foot, leaving the vehicle in traffic.
Okay, just confirm you're still at 112th in Colorado.
Negative. I'm at East Drive and 112th. There's a female in the passenger male. He's southbound on foot.
Copy, break 311.
Copy, I'm en route.
Fort 911, what's the location of your emergency?
I'm right behind. There's a cop right in front of me. I'm right behind the rec center, and this guy just came up to my window and asked me to let him in my truck and give him a ride. And I said I couldn't. I was scared, and he said, I'm scared too. The cops are looking at me, looking for me, and he pulled a gun on me, and he was hitting my window. And he said he's
behind the rec center, you said?
Yes, and he's running. He's a Mexican. He's got a busted up lip. He's got a busted up lip.
What was he wearing, ma'am? Do you know what he was wearing?
I think I'm trying.
Amy, give me an update on that suspicion. Okay. Wait, how did he run?
I think he ran towards the rec center from. I was walking around the lake, and I just got in my car.
Okay, he ran towards the rec center from the parking lot?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, were you parked by the tennis courts or south of there?
I was by the walking trail. Oh God.
Okay, take a deep breath. Where was your car parked at?
My car was parked right by the porta potties.
Shots fired! I'm in front of a fire truck report! Fire truck report! My 3, he's running southbound. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Do it now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Mike Forrest, I stepped down. I'm in the parking lot. Show me your hands! We're right here by the playground on the south side. Show me your hands! Do not move! Don't move! Do not move! Start medical. Shots fired! I'm in front of a fire truck report! Fire truck report! My 3, he's running southbound. Code 3, shots fired, shots fired. I'm in front of one truck report. One car truck report. Mike 3, he's running southbound. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Do it now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Mike 4, suspect down. I'm in the parking lot. Show me your hands! We're right here by the playground on the south side. Show me your hands! Do not move! Don't move! Do not move! Start medical.